Have you heard about reverse background verification process? MNC's people will initiate your background verification process again. For example, if you join in MNC's before 2018 or 2016, people did the background verification based on your documents, whatever you submitted, based on which they did the background verification. But now the background verification is different way, right? People were doing the background verification based on mobile application and based on UAN number and based on digital methodology. They are doing the verifications. So digital process, digital identification of your documents, we already spoke about that much. There are 5 parameters based on which they can easily find your all past service histories, past organization information without your knowledge. Okay, so now the reverse background verification, which means if you join in MNCs before 2020, if you try to switch your client within the organization, again they are doing the verification. But now the problem is background verification will be done based on digital methodology. In 2020 or 2018, when you join in the organization, they did the background verification based on your submitted documents. At present, they are doing the digital verification. So if you submitted absconded record, or if you don't submitted absconded record in 2018, now they can easily track because you have not given the absconding information when you join in the organization in 2020 or 2018. Okay, so this is called reverse background verification. And apart from that, people are always tracking whether you are doing the dual employment after joined in this organization at present, or during the lockdown have you done the dual employment. In that angle also people are tracking your past service history. Okay, hope I am sharing valuable information to you people, and if you really like this channel, please subscribe and share this video to your friends. Take care. Bye bye.